What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with vegetables.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I can swim a little.
Have you ever been on a train?
Yes, I traveled by train last year.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Have you ever visited the zoo?
Yes, I went there as a child.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What color is your school bag?
My school bag is blue.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket with friends.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Where is your father from?
He's from Karachi.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy the train.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch them daily.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is potato.
Have you ever cooked food?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats very much.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I watch them often.
Where do you usually buy clothes?
I buy them from the market.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
What time do you eat lunch?
Around 1 p.m.?
Do you know how to drive?
Not yet. I am learning.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I love painting.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like chocolate cake?
Yes, it is my favorite.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, once when I traveled.
Do you prefer day or night?
I prefer night.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play every evening.
Do you like mango juice?
Yes, I do.
Do you know your neighbor?
Yes, we are friends.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, I like it.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have one.
What color are your shoes?
They are white.
Do you like summer or winter?
I like winter.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn guitar.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Where is your mother from?
She's from Lahore.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I like them.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I love sweets.
Have you ever been in a boat?
Yes, I have.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Eid.
Do you go shopping with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you play badminton?
Yes, I play on weekends.
Do you like reading stories?
Yes, I read storybooks.
Do you prefer tea or milk?
I prefer milk.
Do you eat fruits daily?
Yes, I try to.